Have you ever wondered how modern nursing began? During the Crimean War, British hospitals were chaos. Disease killed more soldiers than battle. Florence Nightingale arrived in 1854, armed with determination and data. She transformed filthy wards by enforcing hand washing, ventilation, and nutrition. Her revolutionary approach slashed death rates and proved that clean, organized care saves lives. Nightingale's reforms didn't just heal soldiers, they set the gold standard for hospitals worldwide, forever changing the future of healthcare.